designed specifically for BMW R1200RT and R1250 RT models. This extension bracket allows proper installation of your CHIGEE AIO-6 when paired with the BMW Quick-Release Module. Installation can be completed in just 2 steps. Step 1. Remove the BMW navigation cradle. First, remove the front windshield. Raise the windshield bracket to loosen the expansion screws. Then gently lift to remove the outer shell of the cradle. Finally, unscrew the fixed screws to take out the cradle. Step 2. Install the extension bracket. Place the extension bracket horizontally, align it with the mounting holes of the cradle, and use the included extended screws to secure it. Once tightened, the installation is complete. Adding this dedicated extension bracket will solve the clearance issue and let you use your setup as intended.